Hello everyone, this is Pig Money chasing big money by copy trading on Bitget. This is episode 12 of the passive income series on the 1st of December 2023. Yet again, an insane month behind me. I have to say I have not seen prices moving like this in a long time. My traders kept their bearish positions, which is not going well with the bullish sentiment of the market. Let's see how my traders are performing, where my liquidation levels are, and what I'm planning to do with this situation. Last month, I said November will depend on the ETF approval news and if it all can keep the fuel pouring on the bullish fire pit. Apparently, for every bad news, there was good news coming out about the approvals, and we spent the entire month without any major corrections. We had a situation where any negative event would normally shake the markets were pretty much ignored, and rumors and hype were the only things in focus. Unfortunately, my traders kept a bearish position throughout the entire month. Every time the traders start trading against market moves, the obvious question arises all the time: why are they not opening positions that matches the direction? Well, that's a good question. Unfortunately, copiers don't know the ideas that the traders are following. In this particular case, I have to say that strictly from a technical point of view, a correction should have happened some time ago. I have spent quite some time with analyzing the price action of BTC and ETH, and in both cases, my conclusion was that all the technical analysis points to a major sell-off to happen. I could draw a dozen of charts that would suggest a major move to the downside and only a few that would point a continued move to the upside. I mean, if we look at the chart, how long has this trend been intact? It's difficult to imagine that the trend is just going to keep on like this forever. However, this is not a video about price prediction, so let's see how the traders actually traded. I still have my triad of traders, One Monkey, Locking Boy and Kendrick, although I'm not sure if I will keep them for December. All their results are positive on the closed trades, but by much less than the average months before. So One Monkey was the only one who actually opened long positions among all the others, so he will get the benefit of doubt. His results are basically half of what he produced in recent months. He is the least likely to be replaced because of that reason. However, he has a bunch of shorts still open, so altogether far from satisfactory. Locking Boy has been shorting all the way along. His positions are causing a massive drawdown on my account, so I am probably replacing him in December with some more bullish traders. Closed trades have produced some profits, but also half of the usual. And finally, Kendrick has been exclusively short too during the entire month of November. Very little profit to be shown here. I'm quite disappointed here because about a year ago, he was one of the firsts to flip from bearish moves to bullish, and he had no issues with leaving directional bias behind. His position is also questionable in the roster moving forward. So yeah, if I find bullish traders with a decent history, he will probably be replaced by one of those. The results for November are okay, but considering the overall balance, it's a disaster. My closed trades have surpassed my yearly target already, but the drawdown is putting me pretty close to liquidation. I mean, I am still not liquidated, but I'm rather close. If BTC or ETH produces another 10% pump to the upside, my account will be blown up for sure. I was contemplating the idea to add some more funds to the account to keep it going, but that would kind of beat the purpose of this whole passive income series. The point of it was to battle test the calculations and settings, which ironically seem to be working pretty fine until last month. So December will be the month that will either make it or break it. Should the markets correct and my shorts close in profit, I will be able to declare a massive victory. However, if the markets keep on grinding upwards without any breaks, then my experiment will fail. We'll see at the end of December. Alright guys, this is all I have for November. I am a bit worried about the month of December coming up. Unless the SEC rejects the ETF applications, which will probably not happen, I don't think we will see the price of BTC dropping below 30k this year. I honestly expect the hysteria to fizzle out a little bit if no major news are coming out. However, all it takes is an unexpected announcement from the SEC and we will possibly see another double-digit rocket from BTC and something similar to ETH. Fingers crossed, guys. See you in a month's time. And remember, trade safe. Big money out.